Here's a story of how this game ruined movies for me. Ever heard that sound before? I guarantee you have. As a student, I spent too much time playing Skyrim. In fact, I played it so much that my brain had memorized the sounds that objects and creatures made. And I only realized this years later while I was watching a remake of The Jungle Book. Why? The movie used the exact same sound. And it unlocked a little part in my brain that I didn't know was there. Oh, of course I had to look into it, and I discovered that this was an audio clip called the Kodiak Bear Roar.
Go Rhyhorn!
Unfortunately, this was just the beginning. There are hundreds of stock sounds reused in entertainment media. Here's a collection of iron gates pissing me off by making the exact same sound. And once you recognize them, unfortunately, they're everywhere.